Hello everyone, Varun here. In this last episode of the series, we are talking about interstellar missions. Interstellar missions are conducted by interstellar probes which have left our solar system. Up till now, there are 5 interstellar probes which are all launched by NASA. They are Voyager 1, which was launched in 1977, is the farthest man-made object yet and have travelled around 22.5 million kilometers. In the same year, Voyager 2 was launched and is second farthest man-made object. The other 3 spacecraft are Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11 and New Horizon. Interstellar space is a fascinating field which has not been explored that much. So in this episode, we are going to find and explore upcoming exciting interstellar space missions. So let's get started. Breakthrough Starshot is a proposed mission to Alpha Centauri star system, which is 4.37 light years away. The mission is going to be conducted via light sail spacecraft named as Space Probe. The cost of the mission would be about $5 to $10 billion and the first craft is estimated to launch around 2036. The mission will demonstrate a proof of concept for ultra-fast light-driven nano spacecraft. It will be one of its kind mission which will use a propulsion system called as light propulsion. The mission will consist of a mothership which will include hundreds of light sail nano spacecraft. NASA introduced Alpha Centauri mission concept in December 2017. The proposed mission would launch on the 100th anniversary of Apollo 11 mission in 2069. The mission will search for biosignature on planets around stars in Alpha Centauri system. The mission will use solar cell propulsion by high energy laser to increase the propulsion. The mission is not funded yet because the technology does not exist yet, but hopefully the technology will develop. Project Starlight is another interstellar mission which would be a research project of University of California. They are going to develop a fleet of laser beam profile spacecraft. The mission is to send the interstellar probe to star neighboring solar system which would potentially maybe Alpha Centauri, or if possible it would be Wolf 359 red dwarf star, which is around 7.9 light years from Earth. In this mission, a nematode is going to be sent on the spacecraft to monitor its survival, biological research and effect due to ionizing radiation. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you would get notified each time a new video is up. Thanks for watching and stay curious, my friends.